A guide you to fix Instagram chat not showing up or loading. For that, go to the App Store or Play Store. If sometimes your app is not an update, then these bugs may be seen. So go to the search bar, go for the Instagram. If it shows open, then your app is up to date. If it shows update, make sure you update the app. And if this doesn't resolve your problem, go back to your profile, click on top three lines, scroll all the way down, and here you can find help, report problem without shaking, do not include, and continue. So you can explain this to the Instagram, like you're not getting the chat or your chat is not showing up, and you can even tag the screenshot and click it to send. They'll get back to you with a message. Likewise, you can resolve Instagram chat not showing up. Thank you.